Alright guys, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is replacing this piece right here. As you can see, it's pretty rotted out. I did already put a new piece on here and fill a couple holes in here. So this should be interesting to see how it goes. Hopefully it's not too bad. I don't think it will be. I didn't weld on anything down here, so that shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, now I did get this trimmed and set in place. So we're going to have a couple welds here, finish that up, and then we'll work on this inside piece when we're done. But it fits alright, not too bad. Probably going to have to adjust this a little bit after we get this here welded in. But I always use weld through primer on the inside. You know, that way everything's coated, you ain't got to worry about it rusting later. And obviously you can still weld. So let's go ahead and get this done, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is going to be where we're leaving it for the day. It is welded in. It's going to need a little bit of adjustment, a little body filler. But overall, I'm happy with it. It'll do. We're going to have to do something with the inside panel here. But other than that, you know, looking pretty good. It'll work. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Catch you guys next time when we'll probably be doing the cab corner on the other side of the truck. Not sure, but definitely going to be some more welding. Getting this cab ready to go. That way we can get the interior in. Yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Get the cab, the metal work done. Then from there, do the interior. I don't think I mentioned it. The interior, I'm going to finish it. It's going to look nice. It's going to look new. Just the outside of the truck is going to be patinaed. But basically, no rot anywhere. I don't want any holes in the floor pans and anything. So yeah, that's going to be it. I'll catch you guys next time.